for that ambulance, we could use a fetal monitor.
Oh, no. Oh, it's okay. The baby's fine. Just wants to come out and meet the guy who helped create him or her.
I think he or she wants to come out and meet his or her mommies. I just gave some chromosomes, that's all I did.
I'm so sorry. I should have told you sooner. But no one else needs to know that you're the baby's father. Just you, me, and Kendall.
That's probably a good idea. It is nice to see you. We bet under different circumstances, but...
Kendall's probably awake and driving the ambulance back to come get us right now.
Tell me about Reese. How's she doing?
Great. She's so amazing. She's been so supportive during the pregnancy. I had some tough days, but she was the sweetest, most wonderful person. I really love her, Zach. She's the real thing.
I could see that. You guys really clicked.
We had a pretty great weekend there in Versailles. You're a pretty funny guy when you loosen up a little bit.
Yeah, drink helped, you know.
Oh, really? That's all it took? Just had to get you liquored up a little, and that's why you agreed to be our donor?
No, not at all. I could see how much you loved each other. How much you loved Miranda and how she wanted a sibling for her.
You know what? I don't think this baby's gonna wait.
I think that's a great idea. Dear God, watch over our friend Babe.
Let's get you up to X-ray.
Just 1 second. I'm looking for someone. There he is. Hey, Tad. How are you? I'm all right. Babe's in surgery. You gonna be okay? Yeah, it's just an arm. Broken. He'll heal. How's Greenlee?
Dr. Robert.
You can ask yourself.
Dr. Robert. 274.
Hey, Greenlee, do you have any idea where Zach and Erica are?
No. Why? What happened?
Well, it's Kendall. She's been hurt. We need to get a hold of a relative for consent.
Consent for what?
She may need brain surgery.
Oh, my God, where is she?
ICU. But Greenlee, wait. She can't go in there.
Try and stop her. What about Spike and Ian?
They're fine. They came in with Kendall. They're downstairs in the child services, sound asleep.
Yeah. Frankie.
Oh. You made it. My parents, are they?
They're amazing, and they're safe. Your mom was trying to work on Babe, and
I want to hear everything. I don't want to hold you for like 10 hours straight, but I got to get back to work.
No, go. Save people. That's what you do.
Ryan, please tell me Emma's with you.
No. I thought she was with Karina.
No. Somebody's kidnapped her.
Whoa. What are you talking about?
Somebody took her. Karina lost her, and now she's gone.
Okay, all right, just calm down. I'm sure she's someplace safe, okay?
You don't believe me. Nobody believes me. Our daughter has been kidnapped, and nobody will listen.
Maybe it's because of all the insane lies you've been telling, all right, Annie?
No, Ryan, this is the truth. Someone has our little girl.
Get respiratory here. We need to hyperventilate her in order to bring the swelling down. I mean, the time is not on her side.
Still no word on any relative?
No. Thank you. Greenlee, you all right?
I'm fine. Huh? How's Kendall?
Well, she's stable for now, but there's a swelling of the brain.
Where's Zach?
EMTs told me they had to leave him at the beach house. He's trapped there for now. With a pregnant woman.
Pregnant woman?
Mm-hmm.
Where the hell is that cop?
You, know anything about, birthing babies?
Yeah, no, I know enough. You just don't worry about it. Just relax and keep breathing.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm gonna boil some water just in case.
What?
Well, storm's not over yet, but, never touches down the same place twice, right?
I'll take your word for it.
Hey. Look at me. It's gonna be all right. Everything's gonna be fine. Okay? Okay.
Oh, God.
What happened?
My, water just broke.
Have I told you lately how much I adore you?
Romancing the lesbian while she's in labor isn't gonna help anything.
That's a good point. But you were there for some of the toughest times of my life. I'm just happy I can be there for you.
You better get ready.